So this video is to show the members of the forum a little idea I developed because my Su-27 jet kept breaking its nose, and it was a real mess to fix. So on this F22 I decided to develop a little removable nose to minimize damage to the mainframe. So I've removed the fins, tail fins from this for demonstration purposes. So here's the nose piece, and I'm turning it upside down to show the mechanism. First of all, the whole nose piece revolves around this hinge point right here, and back on this end is, if you can see that, there's an elastic so that if the impact on the nose is like that, there's some give in the whole nose piece due to this elastic band. Then should this nose be broken or damaged in the field, I can easily replace it with one that's in the trunk of my car by removing the elastic, pulling the pin out of the hinge. Voila! A nose piece. I put in a replacement. It can be just a crude one. It doesn't have to be a finished one like this. Put it back in. Replace the axle. Not always the easiest thing to do, but there it is. And replace the elastic, and we're ready to fly again. And here's what the F22 looks like when I replace the vertical fins. There it is.